So let me show you how you can get 86% off of your first Surfshark VPN deals, and it's up to 86% off again. And you basically have to use the coupon SharkGift and browse securely without worrying about high costs. And you basically just get discount button. And now you go back to the surfshark.com/pricing, and let's wait until this page loads up. And as you can see, we're right now not paying this many, or for example, you have to be paying for 53 euros for the, you're basically saving up 87%. This on the plus one, you're saving 81%, and the on the most popular one, you're saving 84% for 24 months. For example, for a 1 month, you are not really saving much, but you have to select one of these plans here to save. For example, you're going forward to pay upfront for 24 months. You essentially pay 53, for example, or this most popular one, and so on.